The Hyatt Regency in Brisbane, Australia, is located on Queen Street, right in the Queen Street Mall and shopping area in downtown Brisbane. The road is closed to all but pedestrian traffic, and the hotel is in a perfect location for enjoying the surrounding shopping and entertainment around Queen Street and the nearby river. Public transportation is nearby, and you can get just about anywhere by bus, ferry, or train, including a direct line to the airport from nearby Roma Street or Central stations. You can also connect to the Gold Coast by train. Streets Beach and the South Bank area are just across the river over the nearby bridge, and you can catch a ferry to the Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary just over the bridge as well. This is a great place from which to enjoy this beautiful city. And here's our room tour of a king room at the Hyatt Regency. Okay, welcome to the Hyatt Regency in Brisbane, Australia. This is going to be a room tour of a king city view. She called it a river view actually, so I don't know if there's a difference between that, but king size river view room. This hotel is located right kind of in the main, or one of the main at least areas of Brisbane. It's near the Central train station. It's also near Roma Street train station, which is where we came from. The road down below is closed to car traffic, and there's just kind of a lot of shopping and kind of pedestrian type traffic there. So anyway, we'll take a look at the room. So over here's the TV, a little table with the chairs you can see, but bigger chair here. We are on the 24th floor here. And again, this was called a river view. So there's the river down there. And down below, I'm not sure I can get the camera there. You can see kind of that little walking area. Maybe you can see it. Anyway, nice king size bed, a couple of nightstands, pretty standard stuff. This is quite a large room actually. It's nice. We'll be here for 3 nights, so we appreciate that. Over here we've got the coffee maker and stuff. Looks like some mini bar stuff and fridge. Pretty standard stuff here. Glasses and things like that. In the bathroom, so there's a separate sink here. Large closet area, really cool. And then the vanity there with a big mirror. Pretty good amenities and stuff, and then the separate toilet and the separate shower. So as you can see here, it's got 2 doors here to the bathroom. Don't always love that, but it's not that big a deal. And then here in the entryway, there's a full-length mirror. And that's about it. So again, this is a Riverview King Room in the Hyatt Regency in Brisbane, Australia. So I do want to just mention we're only Discoverist with Hyatt. We're the lowest status members. And yet despite that, we actually booked a Queen City View room. They actually upgraded us to this king size, the better view of the river and everything. Even just the upgrade on the bed was quite nice, and definitely something we did not expect, being only Discoverist with them, which you can get just from having the Hyatt personal credit card. That's how we've got it. But also they check-in is at like 3 p.m. here. It's just after 11 a.m. and they actually were able to get us in for an early check-in and offered us the late checkout of 2 p.m. on the day that we're leaving. So really impressive, really nice stuff from Hyatt, and I'm definitely a fan. If you watch our videos, you know that we stayed a lot of Marriott's. We're platinum with them. This is definitely great treatment I did not expect as a low-level status member with Hyatt. So that should be about it for the Hyatt Regency in Brisbane, Australia.